Hello friends, today I am unboxing Ant Esports SBW300 Soundbar and speaker. Look at this, aux, USB, optical, HDMI, all connections available. Bluetooth, latest version Bluetooth available. It cost around 7,500, but I received only for just 4,000. It has massive 8-inch subwoofer. I searched so many soundbars, but this only have 8-inch subwoofer. All others are 6.5-inch subwoofer. So 8-inch subwoofer at just 4,000. It's unbelievable. Look at this soundbar. Soundbar have 2 tweeters and 4 speakers. Look at this. Wow. Wired subwoofer, not wireless. Beautiful designs. Have LED display. USB coaxial, optical, sub out, HDMI, all available. I connected to the TV. Let's check its sound, how it sounds. Tried so many songs. It's very beautiful. The treble, bass are very good, perfectly balanced. Tried YouTube reviews for this speaker, but didn't see any review because all are behind the paid reviews. But this one is absolutely stunning speaker. You can easily buy without any doubt. I will put the link in the description for this product. You can go and check out. Thank you.